Class 5 English. Okay, let's start now. So today we'll start with Unit 4 Section 1, Our Wireless. Unit 4 Section 1, what? Our Wireless. Now see. Daddy's means father. Daddy's bought a wireless set, the very nicest thing he could get. And every evening after tea, baby boy and Jane and me put receivers on our head and listen till we go to bed. Okay. Now daddy bought a wireless set. That was a very nice thing he could do. Every evening after tea, okay, baby boy, that is the baby boy and Jane and me put the receiver on our head and listen till we go to bed. Okay, they used to put the receiver on their head and listen till they go to bed. Okay. Now, and though I like to listen in, especially when the tales begin. And though I like to listen in, especially when the tales begin. When the tales means when the story begins. He likes to listen when the story begins. I wish and wish for goodness sake. I wish and wish for good sake. It's for good sake. The wireless set of ours would break. Okay. If the wireless set of ours would break, for mummy then would smile and say, I will tell you stories day to day. Okay. If our wireless set breaks, okay, mummy would smile. Mummy will smile and say stories to us. Okay. Okay. Now, if the wireless set breaks, mummy will tell the story and they will listen to the story every day. Next, she used to read to Jane and me. Means mummy used to read to Jane and me such lovely stories after tea. Such lovely stories she used to tell after tea, and she would sometimes laugh and sometimes smile and cuddle baby all the time. And cuddle means to make love. Okay, to take care. Cuddle baby all the while. But now until we go to bed, the wireless tells us tale instead. Now, before mother used to tell us all the stories, but now the wireless tells us the stories before we go to bed. Now, and oh, if you would come one day and take our wireless asset away. If you come one day and take our wireless set away, I would be as glad as could be. I would be as glad, means as happy as could be. And perhaps invite you after tea to hear our mummy tell again her lovely tales to me and Jane. Okay. If you come and take our wireless set, I will be glad. I will be happy. Why? Because I will be happy and I will invite you for tea. Okay. And after tea, you will hear that my mother is telling the stories to me and Jane. Okay. You can hear the story that is my mother telling to me and Jane. Okay. Enid Blyton. This is written by Enid Blyton. Okay. Now you read these stories. Okay. And question answers. Next page we have question answers. Question answers. I will give you the question answers, and fill in the blanks will be your homework. Fill in the blanks you will do homework. Fill in the blanks will be homework. Question answers I will give you. Okay. This will till this much it will be homework. Okay. So for today this much. Thank you.